Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. And today for Iftari, I am making almond and date milkshake. So the ingredients we need for almond and date milkshake are 20 almonds, 15 dates. I'm also going to use some date syrup, but that's optional. If you don't have it, you can skip this. And 2 cups of cold milk. The first step is to soak almonds and dates in lukewarm water for half an hour. As you can see that I have removed all the seeds of dates and peeled the almonds. Now I'm going to make a paste of these two in my smoothie maker. Now I'm adding just 3/4 cup of water. See, it's all mashed up and it has become a smooth paste. Now I'm adding in some date syrup. So 2 tablespoons of date syrup and 2 cups of milk. After adding milk and date syrup, I'm going to run it in the smoothie maker again. The delicious and refreshing almond and date smoothie is ready, and I'm going to let it cool in the fridge for half an hour before serving.